The first thing we built was a sovereign cloud. Why did we build a sovereign cloud first? Because if you don't control it from the bottom up, you don't actually control it, even if you say you own it, right? I own the data. It's my data. But you're on a cloud that you don't control, right? You don't actually own. Ownership of your data is irrelevant. It's only control of your data that's relevant and the data that's outgassed from it. So we really want to rotate the axis of this around the idea of sovereignty. So we built a sovereign cloud first. We're building on top of that sovereign AI systems and sovereign compute neighborhoods. And on top of that, what we will eventually generate is sovereign AGI. So that's the final step in this process. So the next step of this is AI takes control of all software. Software has already taken control of all physical systems on the planet for the most part. This will continue. So sovereignty over AI is now sovereignty over all wealth, all assets, all thought, all knowledge, all communications, et cetera, et cetera, et cetera. So done incorrectly, AI is the last human invention. That this is where we end as a species if we do this incorrectly. That's Iron Sunrise for those of you who are Charles Stross fans.
Friends don't let friends buy Facebook. Get them to put that money into a decentralized, self-sovereign ecosystem for the good of humanity.
Eric, can you beat that?
Look, just think about sovereignty as an access to everything that you're doing. If you're building AI systems and you haven't considered sovereignty, please do so, because it's incredibly important. Otherwise, your work will be stolen and corrupted. So think about it, please, early on, and make sure that sovereignty can be granted to the individual or the entity where sovereignty correctly lies, rather than centralizing everything.